Hi, and welcome to a new video about the Federated Learning module. In this video, we will explore how to optimize the hyperparameters of the model. MEDfl offers the capability to optimize the hyperparameters of the central model before initializing the server, enhancing the performance of the network. Provides three types of optimizations: grid search optimization, Optuna central optimization, and Optuna federated optimization. In this video, we will cover the first two types in detail. We will dedicate a separate video to the federated optimization. To begin the optimization process, we need to add the optimization node. This node requires two input nodes: the dataset node and the model node. First, for the grid search optimization, we need to specify the metric to optimize and the values to test for three parameters: hidden dimensions, learning rate, and max epochs. The values should be separated by commas. To launch the optimization, click this button. Before starting, you can review the configurations here. Now, click the Optimize Hyperparameters button to start the process. You can monitor the optimization progress via this progress bar. Once the execution finishes, a pop-up will display the results of the optimization, showing the best score and the best hyperparameters. The second type of optimization is the Optuna central optimization. To proceed with this optimization, you need to specify the optimization metric, the direction, either maximize or minimize, the sampling algorithm, the number of trials. Next, select the hyperparameters you want to optimize. Each selected hyperparameter must have a minimum and maximum value to define the range of values to be tested. Now, let's run the optimization. We will wait for the results to appear. Here you can see the results: the best score, the best hyperparameters, and some diagrams such as the optimization history, the parallel plot, and the parameter importances. You also have the option to save these results to a file. Click this button, and an input field will appear where you can specify the file name. For example, let's name the file optimization_results. When we validate, two files are created: a .json file and an optimization results file. You can view the content of these files under the optimizations folder by clicking on them directly. This is the first file, and this is the second file. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.